sometimes we stumble across something really cool that's local and we didn't even know it was there. That's what happened here at Oakland Nature Preserve in Oakland, Florida. Tell them what it is, right, Nora?
What is it? Turtle.
Is it a turtle? Some turtles? Oh, we scared them. Fruit. Those oranges? Yeah.
Those are cuties.
Yeah, they're cuties. Go grab one, babe. Climb over. Ezra, what's all this stuff? That's right. This is our nicest day since we've been back in Florida. 79 degrees. It feels amazing. We found this nice nature preserve, and they got this cool boardwalk that leads down to a lake, and a lot of cool wildlife here.
Daddy,
Definitely. Oh yeah, we got a lizard.
Mommy, there's a lizard on this place. Just on this area.
This is definitely worth coming to. We've just been driving around finding playgrounds and nice picnic areas today, and this is the icing on the cake. Look at this tree, holy cow.
Whoa, that's a tall tree. Can we go back there, Mommy?
Yeah, we'll go back in a little bit.
That's a nice habitat.
Keep your eyes peeled for a bobcat. They're super
Watch out, Goofy.
Lots of it. Look at all this old man's beard, bud.
Whoa, that's a lot of old man's beard. That's really cool. I never know that they will be like pulling out of it. There he goes.
Yeah, he's just coming up like it's no big deal. That is cool.
Got it back on, Daddy.
Okay.
See?
Just your classic bird watching. Ooh, a screech owl. From Saved by the Bell.
Nora, do you want some water?
Nailed the joke. Oh, here's a birdhouse. Oh, they're all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe a bird built that.
Alright.
People built all the
Oh.
bird houses.
Correct. I can't get anything by you, bud.
I can't see anything.
You see the way he looked at me.
Where's the rest of the bird?
Can I get 2 lemonades, please?
Yeah.
How much is it?
2 days.
$2. Here you go. Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.